Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the region override of a call in Discord. So if you're on a server, you can only ask the admin to do this or the server owner, but you can also do it in like private calls. If you're on a voice channel here and you're the admin, select edit channel, scroll down, and if it's lagging, go to region override and select the closest region to you. So the closest to where I think it's Singapore or Sydney, just around wherever that is. So just select Singapore for mine. Save changes and hopefully it lags less. If your friends are from all over the world, sorry, I can't talk. Select maybe like Europe or something, or maybe Russia. I don't know, but that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.